Hi, I'm Ed Lucas of CG Lucas & Sons Agricultural Contractors. We're farming 500 acres and doing contracting work in and around the Vale of Glamorgan.
Max Lucas, this is my father, so I've been running alongside and helping out since I left school at 18.
AgDrive is helping us massively in that, being able to turn our invoicing system in, quicker and get money back in quicker. So yeah, helping all around.
So before we would all sort of start a job, leave the yard, keep track of it, sort of as a bit of a mental note or in our notes on our phone. And then at the end of the day, we'd input it onto a paper timesheet. At the end of the week then, we'd hand them in to the office and we'd go through them all and trying to get all the information of jobs and off paper timesheets.
Our biggest issue was the boys handing it in on time, so we pay our boys weekly. So the idea was hand your timesheet in on a Monday morning, that get sent to the office, and then, oh sorry, I've left it on the kitchen table, or I haven't quite finished filling it in. You get given that then at 9, 10 o'clock at night on the Monday, and we're still trying to sort their wages out for them. And then backtracking, trying to find out where everybody, there was the odd job was, or timekeeping was missed. So yeah, it became a bit of an issue.
I think it's coming up to about a 12-month. We are getting to grips with it now, I think. We were a bit ropey at the start, but now all our boys have sort of cottoned on and doing really well with it. We're lucky with the boys we got. They are pretty switched on and they thought it was great not having to fill a timesheet out. And it gives each other a more, on like a team job or something like that, we sort of know where we are and it's helping us more than what we were doing.
Since taking on AgDrive, we've had a couple of issues, and by ringing up and getting in touch with Will, very responsive and very clear in where we're making the mistakes and helping us rectify them and become more proactive with it, which has been a great help, to be fair. Yeah. We go over all the jobs and obviously approve them, and that it's made our life so much easier to track the jobs, keep an eye on where everybody's been. To go back to the old system wouldn't help us at all, I don't think. Generally, the way we go through the invoicing, the boys send it all through, completed job. I'll look over it and approve, check the job report, see where they've been, what they've done, and if we all in agreement, yeah, that's how it went. It's been a big help, especially when we're running the 2 foragers. We've got 2 teams out. We're able to track where everybody is, and nobody likes a phone call, where are you, when you're coming back. It's, we can see where they've been, what they're doing, what they're covering, and it's all there, which is a big help to us and the customer. We followed an invoice through to a customer. I asked if I was able to come and see how they're getting it delivered, and they said, oh yeah, it's come through. We printed it off, and then we went into the system and said, well, if you click on all the jobs, they were able to see where we'd been, what we'd done, what inputs we'd put in. The boys are putting notes in, and the customer's over the moon with that clarity of everything that was done.
I think the timesheets has helped out a lot, because as of when we were back on the paper timesheets, we'd be in the office at 10, 11 o'clock. We'd have to go through 6 of our boys' times, add them all up. When in this new AgDrive, we can sort of select a date, select the operator, and it's quick and easy.
Oh yeah, just agree. It's helped us getting our invoicing out quicker as well. Just like you say, select your date, select your month, and just bring a customer up rather than flicking through timesheets to see which week or what day were they with certain customers. You just bring everything up and it's there. Operations, jobs, customers, it's so much easier to get on top of that. So it's helping us get our invoicing out much quicker. Definitely it's a good hour or 2, not, so last week, so, I expect there's a good, 8 hours, is almost an office day, It's not having to spend in the office flicking through timesheets, chasing timesheets. So yeah, going forward it's going to be massive for us.
It helps with when we are busy, we can sort of, it's quick and easy to have an hour every night than try and have a day off when we need an operator out or my father out on a job. He's got to spend a full day in the office trying to catch up on things.
I think any contractors looking to have a go at this, just do it. 100%. It does take a little bit of time. It depends how techy you are, and but it's what you input into it, you get back out. So yeah, it's a time saver and it's a no-brainer. It's efficient. It makes us efficient, which makes our business run. So it's a time saver, makes you a bit more efficient, gets your money, your turnover. It's been a big help to us, and I did recommend it to anyone really. And I presume, and not only outside of like contract, it would work on farming issues just with employees rather than it's not just a contracting system, I don't think.
Start your 14-day free trial today by visiting ag-drive.com.